In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Chrome to light mode. By the end, your browser's interface will switch to a bright, clean look that's easier to see in well-lit environments and great for screenshots or presentations. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you're in a regular Chrome window, not an incognito one, so you can clearly see the color changes as we make them. Next, look to the very top right corner of Chrome for the three vertical dots. This is the main menu button. Click it to open the menu. From here, you'll be working in Chrome's settings. In the Settings page, find the Appearance section. Depending on your version, you may see Appearance in the left sidebar or as a main section. That's exactly where we'll change the overall look. Inside Appearance, locate the area labeled Mode. This controls whether Chrome uses light, dark, or sometimes your device's default theme. If you're not sure you're in the right place, you should see related options, like font size or theme, just above or below it. Those are good signs you're in the Appearance area. Now, click the drop-down next to Mode. You'll see options such as Light, Dark, and possibly System or Device Default. These determine the color of Chrome's toolbars, tabs, menus, and settings pages. Choose Light. As soon as you select it, Chrome will apply the change immediately. No restart required. Your tabs, toolbar, and menus should switch to a bright background, with text and icons adjusting for clear contrast. If the change doesn't appear right away, simply click into a new tab, or briefly minimize and restore the window to refresh the view. A few quick tips to keep in mind. Light mode affects Chrome's interface, but individual websites may still choose their own color schemes. If a site is still dark, that's controlled by the site, not Chrome's mode setting. If you prefer Chrome to match your computer's theme automatically, pick System or Device Default instead, and it will follow your operating system's light or dark preference. Don't see the mode option? Make sure Chrome is updated to the latest version, as interface options can vary slightly by version and operating system. And that's it. You've opened Chrome, used the menu in the top right corner to reach the Appearance settings, found the Mode section, opened the drop-down, and selected Light. If you ever want to switch back, repeat the same path and choose Dark or System. Thanks for watching, and enjoy browsing in light mode.